Hey there, it's Dr. Yang. Welcome to ACEs Well podcast, where we talk about real health, not just covering symptoms, but getting to the root of what's going on in your body, your mind, your energy, and even in your spirit. Today, I want to talk to you about something you haven't heard much about: sulfur. Yes, sulfur. That smelly stuff you might remember from high school chemistry class. Turns out it is actually one of the most important things your body needs to stay healthy. Let's start with the basics. What is sulfur? What does it do? Sulfur is a mineral. Just like calcium helps your bones, sulfur helps your body clean out toxins, make energy, fight off illnesses, and even keep your brain sharp. Your body uses sulfur to build glutathione, your body's master antioxidant. It's like your internal cleanup crew. Collagen, which keeps your skin, your joints, and blood vessels strong, and to help your immune system stay balanced. Now, here's the kicker: most of us aren't getting enough sulfur, not because we don't eat well, but because of something sneaky that is messing up how our body uses sulfur. Have you ever heard of glyphosate? It's the main ingredient in the Roundup, a weed killer used in farming. It's sprayed on a lot of food we eat, especially things like wheat, corn, and soy. And according to Dr. Stephanie Sneff from MIT, glyphosate is a big reason why so many people are struggling with chronic health issues like fatigue, digestive problems, brain fog, autism, Alzheimer's, autoimmune disease, even some cancers. Why? Because glyphosate messes up the good bacteria in your gut that help you make and absorb sulfur. It also gets in the way of your body's enzymes. Those are the little workers that help chemical reactions happen in your body. So, it's not just about what you eat, it's about what your body can actually do with what you eat. Now, here's something I found absolutely fascinating, and you might too. You know how people say sunlight helps your body make vitamin D? That's true, but it's not the whole story. Your skin can also use sunlight to help make something called cholesterol sulfate. Don't worry about the name. All you need to know is it helps your blood flow smoothly. It keeps your brain nourished. It protects your heart. And it even gives your cell the energy they need to work properly. But here's the problem. We are told to avoid the sun. We wear sunscreen all the time, and many people take statins. Those are cholesterol lowering drugs. That means we are blocking the very thing our body needs to make this super important compound. No wonder we are seeing so many heart issues and brain problems. Dr. Seneff also points out that children with autism and adults with Alzheimer's disease often have very low sulfur level in their bodies, especially in the brain. Without enough sulfur, your brain can't clear out waste properly. It gets inflamed, blood doesn't flow as it should, and the results? Trouble focusing, memory loss, and mood swings. That's not just about chemistry, that's about the soul too, because when the body is overloaded and the brain isn't working well, it's really hard for someone to feel present, joyful, or connected. So this isn't just a science lesson, it's about how your whole self feels and functions. What can you do about it? You can start helping your body restore sulfur naturally and gently. Here's what I recommend. Number one, eat sulfur rich foods. Look for foods like garlic and onions, eggs, especially the yolks, broccoli, cabbage, cauliflowers. All those strong smelling veggies are great. 2. Soak in Epsom salt bath. Epsom salt is magnesium sulfate, and your body can actually absorb sulfur through your skin. Take a warm bath a couple of times a week and just relax. It helps your muscle and your metabolism. Number 3, get some sunlight. Try to get 15 to 20 minutes of gentle sun on your skin each day without sunscreen during that time. This helps your body make that important cholesterol sulfate. 4. Avoid glyphosate. That means choosing organic food whenever you can, or at least avoiding most heavily spread foods like wheat and corn. Number 5, support your gut. Eat fermented foods like sauerkraut, kimchi, yogurt, and miso. This helps good bacteria grow in your gut. This bacteria help you absorb nutrients better. Here at ACEs Well, we look at health in 4 ways. A for anatomy, your body's structure. C for chemistry, how your body runs inside. E for energy, how your body and mind function and stay alive. S for soul, how you feel, connect, and live with purpose. Sulfur plays a role in every single one of these areas. It helps your blood flow, your brain think, your cell detox, your mood stay even keeled. So if you're feeling off, tired, foggy, inflamed, or just not yourself, think about sulfur. It might be the missing link. I hope today's episode gave you something to think about and something to try. Remember, your body wants to heal. It just needs the right support. Subscribe to this podcast if you want more down to earth, real health conversations. And come visit us at aceswell.com for tools, programs, and stories from people just like you. I'm Dr. JD Young. Thank you for listening. Take care of your body, trust your inner wisdom. As always, let's protect our health and discover what the world is really telling us. See you next time.